Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Aceite Mazola Grande is probably one of the most versatile and essential cooking oils available, offering a pure, light flavor that enhances the natural taste of your food without overpowering it. Its high smoke point makes it ideal for a wide range of cooking methods, from sautéing and frying to baking and roasting, ensuring your dishes are cooked to perfection every time. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook looking for a reliable and high-quality oil, Aceite Mazola Grande provides consistent results and a healthy option for your everyday culinary needs. Number 5. Garden of Life Raw Extra Virgin Coconut Oil. Discover the pure goodness of extra virgin coconut oil. Extracted from fresh coconuts, it's a versatile addition to your pantry. Our oil is cold-pressed to preserve its natural nutrients and delicate flavor. This ensures you get the highest quality product. Use it for cooking, baking, or even as a natural beauty enhancer. Its rich, tropical aroma will transport you. Embrace a healthier lifestyle with this wholesome ingredient. It's a great source of healthy fats to support your well-being. Trust Garden of Life for premium, raw ingredients. Experience the difference that quality makes in every drop. What we like. This oil is raw and unrefined, offering a pure, natural product. It's also USDA organic certified, ensuring high quality and ethical sourcing. If you prioritize organic and minimally processed ingredients for your health and wellness, this is an excellent choice for everything from cooking to skincare. What people say. It melts easily and works great for moisturizing hair and skin. I noticed softer hair and better hydration after just a few uses. Also perfect for cooking since it tastes fresh and pure. Very versatile and worth the price. Use this for so many things. High temp cooking in wok, add a little when making rice, use in hands and feet when very dry. Use on dog paws when dry in winter. Use in dog coats to help with shine and smells great. I love that it's raw, organic, and non-GMO verified. It's really versatile whether I use it for cooking, baking, or even for skin and hair care. The fact that it's gluten-free and Pareve MK kosher is a bonus. It has a clean taste and melts easily, making it easy to incorporate into my routines. Number 4. AVO Organic Vegetable Oil. Introducing AVO Organic Vegetable Oil, a pure and natural choice for your kitchen. It's made with organic vegetables, ensuring the best quality for your meals. We believe in keeping things simple and healthy. That's why our oil has no preservatives added, just the natural goodness of organic vegetables. Enjoy the convenience of our 64 FL bottle, equivalent to half a gallon. It's the perfect size for all your cooking needs. This versatile oil is ideal for frying, sautéing, baking, and salad dressings. Elevate your everyday cooking with its light and clean taste. Choose AVO Organic Vegetable Oil for a healthier lifestyle. It's a great addition to any meal, providing wholesome nutrition for your family. What we like. This is an organic vegetable oil blend with absolutely no preservatives added. Its large half-gallon size makes it economical for frequent cooks. If you're looking for a versatile, everyday cooking oil without artificial additives and in a family-friendly size, this option is a great value. What people say. The taste and texture is unmatched from other brands. Cooking on high heat is great, especially after use it maintain the same color for me. Very light tasting. Love to use it for salad dressings. It has no smell and is great in baking cornbread, and I use it to make yummy fried potatoes. Number 3. Amazon Grocery Peanut Oil, 128 fluid ounces. Introducing our premium peanut oil, now under the Amazon Grocery brand. It's the same great quality you trust, perfect for all your culinary needs. This versatile oil is ideal for a variety of cooking methods. Use it to create delicious dressings, bake delightful treats, or fry your favorite foods to perfection. Made with 100% pure peanuts, it brings a rich flavor to your dishes. Enjoy the natural taste and quality in every drop. You might notice some changes in packaging as we transition brands. Rest assured, the product inside remains exactly the same high-quality oil you expect. Amazon Grocery offers all your favorite ingredients for less. Stock up on essentials for delicious meals, all in one convenient shopping trip. Discover a wide selection of products designed to meet your daily needs. We're here to help you create great tasting meals with ease and affordability. What we like. This product is pure peanut oil, perfect for a variety of culinary applications including salads, baking, and frying. The generous 128 fluid ounces bottle offers great value for households that cook often. If you need a reliable, all-purpose oil with a good smoke point for frying and a pleasant flavor for dressings, this is a smart buy. What people say. The oil is light in color, neutral in flavor, and holds up well to higher frying temperatures without smoking too quickly, which is exactly what is wanted for repeat use in a fryer. In addition, it does not have a chemical that is added to reduce the foam while frying. Very clean and only one ingredient. Peanut oil, the only cooking oil to use. Flavors the food naturally. Has a great taste, use on high heat, never burns. Great for Oriental food. Number 2. PAM Non-Stick Original Cooking Spray. Tired of food sticking to your pans? Introducing the original non-stick cooking spray. Make your cooking experience smoother and cleaner. For decades, home cooks have trusted this to prevent sticking. It's the original formula that makes cleanup a breeze. Whether you're baking, frying, or sautéing, it provides a reliable non-stick barrier. Enjoy perfect results every time without the mess. Just a quick spray is all it takes to ensure your food doesn't stick. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious meals. It's the go-to choice for anyone who wants to simplify their cooking and cleanup. Add this essential to your kitchen today. What we like. This cooking spray provides a convenient non-stick surface for your pans, making cleanup a breeze. It also offers a zero-calorie way to grease your cookware. If you're trying to reduce fat and calories in your diet or simply want the easiest way to prevent food from sticking, this spray is ideal. What people say. It works great for baking casseroles and breads, frying eggs, coating candy plates, etc. With the casseroles, especially, it makes cleanup so much easier and reduces waste, less food sticks to the baking dish. Just a few spritzes onto a sheet of foil or onto the bottom of a pan and nothing sticks. It's easy to use and will save you from scrubbing the bottom of the pans. The taste is very light and not too strong that it overpowers the food. The spray nozzle is fast and efficient too. Number 1. Amazon Corn Oil, 128 fluid ounces. Introducing our premium corn oil, perfect for all your culinary needs. Its generous 128 fluid ounces size ensures you'll always have enough on hand for everyday cooking. This 1-gallon bottle offers exceptional value and convenience. It's designed to be your go-to for a variety of cooking methods. Elevate your favorite dishes with the pure taste of corn oil. It's the ideal choice for frying, baking, and sautéing, bringing out the best in your food. We bring you a high-quality corn oil that's essential for any home chef. Enjoy consistent results every time you cook. Get this large 128 fluid ounces bottle today and ensure your pantry is well stocked. It's a smart choice for budget-conscious cooks who don't want to compromise on quality. What we like. This is pure corn oil, delivered in a large 1-gallon bottle, making it a cost-effective choice for heavy users. It's highlighted as being great for all your cooking needs. If you need a neutral-flavored, high-heat cooking oil for everyday frying, sautéing, and baking, this large quantity ensures you won't run out. What people say. The quality of this corn oil is impressive, with a light and clean flavor that is ideal for a range of cooking applications, from sautéing vegetables to frying chicken. It is gratifying that the oil does not overpower the natural flavor of the food, but instead enhances it. In addition, the oil has a high smoke point, making it ideal for high-heat cooking techniques such as stir-frying and deep-frying. It is rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which have been shown to lower cholesterol levels and promote heart health. This 128-ounce Amazon grocery corn oil is crystal clear, neutral, and perfect for frying baking. No off tastes, super value. Delivered fresh. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.